Was ready?
Yeah, I'll follow you guys in.
Remember the weight of that bike, but oh, it is. It's deep as well. Tree down. Yeah, it's well slippery, isn't it? Twig in the hands. That's a roller, isn't it? If you want. Black guys are good, huh? Oh, it is a drop as well. Bastard missed that one. Fuck. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a bit moist, isn't it? Oh, left, isn't it? Left.
Yeah.
2 stone. Oh, fuck me. Whoa, there's a gap there. Yeah, I didn't realise. What's in this bit? That was a jump, I think. Yeah. On this one, jump. So that's just a jump.
Hey?
That's just a jump. No gaps. Where's Bob?
Yeah, I'll have a go.
I'll do the same. Oh, there's one there too. That would be a jump. Oh, that's pretty sweet.
That's it's over a fence again. Would have been alright, I think.
It's a gap. A little gap on that, we can have that.
Just push up that.
Yeah. What's this? Is that a gap? Yes it is, but it's tiny. Ooh, don't be in there.
The wrong gear.
Oh fuck! So I didn't see you there. I wonder why you went round. That's not bad, is it? Back up. Did you do those two?
Yeah, I did actually.
Oh boy.
You're not doing that, you guys.
What's that? Is that a gap?
Yeah, that's a bit on my pay grade.
That might be a bit too big for me.
Yeah,
Personally. Are you doing it, Rob? He's having a giraffe. Is that a drop or a roller? Oh, nice little steep bit here. Drifting around. Got bloody spiders web across my nose. Just through the mud. I've got a fucking spider on my face.
yeah, nothing. Actually, it's rollable. Okay.
Right, let's follow you in. What's that, gap? Not very well done. That's a gap.
And another one. Fuck me, this is a good one.
This is the big boy stuff, which I will avoid. Whey! What's this like? Oh, I could jump there. Just jump that to flat, I'd say.
Yeah, that's one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's tasty. Right above my pay grade. Oh, it's a drop. Oh, you hit. You put me right off there then. Ah. Yeah, I gotta do it now. It's a bit loose down there then. That was alright. Lovely stuff. Go right. Some flow down here. Trying to look ahead to see what's there. I can't really see much. a bit of flow, I think, on this. Oh, there's a drop there. Oh, that's a gap, actually. Didn't have my head on that. Oh, we found the thing. Wow. Looks like they all converge. Sure, we just did this one. Oh yes, we did. Yeah. Sure, it was there, wasn't it? And then it's dropped.